Dreams have this captivating way of slipping just out of reach as we open our eyes, leaving us with only a trace of something surreal yet strangely real. But what if life, as we know it, is similar, a shimmering reflection on the surface of a lake, hiding depths we rarely see? As we go through each day, our minds cloud with tasks and worries, creating a haze that keeps us from connecting with our deeper selves. Yet, dreams offer a portal to that inner world, where insights about our lives, desires, and even fears lie in waiting. Imagine waking up each morning with a vivid memory of those hidden scenes, stories, and messages, ready to explore the mysteries they hold. Remembering your dreams every morning isn't just about dream memory, it's about reconnecting with parts of yourself that get lost in the noise of everyday life. From quieting your mind before bed to using simple affirmations, there are fascinating, science-backed techniques that can help you recall those elusive dreams with clarity and depth. Curious? Ready to unlock this side of yourself that so often goes unnoticed? The following techniques will not only guide you to remember your dreams every morning but also help you understand why these nightly journeys are worth holding on to. Let's dive into the journey of uncovering the world within, one dream at a time. 1. Limit screen time before bed. There's something captivating about the soft glow of a screen late at night, drawing you in, subtly filling the gaps between thoughts. But here's the trick, this hypnotic blue light from phones, tablets, or TVs doesn't just steal your time, it also disrupts your sleep. By scrolling just before bed, we unknowingly interfere with melatonin production, our body's natural sleep trigger. Melatonin is what helps us slip into those deep, restorative sleep stages, where vivid dreaming and clear morning memories thrive. But every moment spent staring at a screen puts that dreamy world a little further out of reach, dimming our chances of waking up with a fresh memory of last night's dreams. Now, imagine a smooth transition into sleep, a gentle wind down without the glow of screens to keep the brain on high alert. Reducing screen time, even just an hour before sleep, can be like flipping a switch that allows your mind to drift without interruption. Research has shown that blue light exposure at night affects REM sleep, the stage where dreams unfold most vividly. To make it easy, you can set your phone to Do Not Disturb or even read a physical book under a warm light. With these small changes, you'll notice dreams start becoming clearer and easier to remember each morning. Giving yourself this break from screens at night isn't just about better sleep, it's about creating the space for your mind to capture its inner narrative. By consciously choosing to disconnect, you invite yourself into a state that's more attuned to rest, relaxation, and dream retention. For anyone eager to boost dream recall techniques or dive into the world of vivid dreaming, simply allowing yourself this nightly routine is like opening a door to a hidden part of yourself. And what waits beyond? That's a journey only you can explore, one dream at a time. 2. Maintain a regular sleep schedule. Consistency might seem mundane, but when it comes to sleep, routine is like the secret handshake that unlocks deep, vivid dreams. By sticking to a regular bedtime and wake-up schedule, you're tuning your body into a rhythm, almost like setting it to autopilot for dreamland. Each night, your brain starts to recognize this familiar rhythm, helping it cycle seamlessly through the sleep stages, especially REM, where the most vivid dreaming happens. Studies reveal that our bodies thrive on these patterns, and when they're steady, we can expect better sleep and sharper dream memory each morning. Imagine going to bed at the same time every night as a gentle nudge, reminding your subconscious to prepare for a journey. As this routine settles, the brain gets more adept at dreaming with clarity and recall. It's like training for a marathon, except here, the practice leads to a memory boost when recalling dreams. So, for those chasing techniques to improve dream recall, think of your bedtime and wake-up times as your starting point. Something as simple as setting a phone alarm or using a sleep tracking app can keep you on track and enhance your night-to-night experiences. Having a regular sleep schedule isn't just about structure, it's a pathway to exploring the depths of your subconscious. When your sleep cycle is set, your brain doesn't have to waste energy adapting to new patterns, it dives straight into the magical realm of dreams. And as it grows comfortable in this rhythm, you'll find that waking up with memories of those dreams becomes easier. For those craving dream retention, creating a consistent schedule may seem too simple, but the results are anything but. Who knows what you'll uncover next? 3. Use affirmations upon waking. As the morning light breaks and you wake, there's a brief window of magic, a chance to anchor your dreams in reality. Using affirmations as soon as you open your eyes can help bring those elusive dream images into focus. Simple phrases like, "I remember my dreams easily and clearly," spoken with intention, act like signals to your subconscious, affirming that dream recall matters. Studies on neuroplasticity hint that our brains adapt to what we repeatedly tell them. So, by reinforcing this idea daily, you're training your mind to prioritize dream retention, almost like a built-in memory boost. These affirmations are more than just words, they're a call to your subconscious to remember. Think of it as gently knocking on a door, inviting the dream world to leave traces as it fades. By saying your affirmation in the first few moments of wakefulness, you're setting the tone for your day and solidifying those dream memories. Over time, this simple habit can turn into a powerful technique to improve dream recall, making those wisps of memory clearer and more accessible. Try keeping a journal nearby and, after saying your affirmation, jot down whatever you recall, no detail is too small. Using affirmations isn't just a ritual, it's an invitation to bridge two worlds. These words let you take a small step into your subconscious, letting you pull out the threads of forgotten dreams and giving them form in your waking mind. You might find, with a bit of practice, that this habit brings not only memories of the night before but insights you never expected. With each affirmation, your mind becomes a little more open to receiving these morning messages from the dream realm. And as you tap into this practice, who knows what else you'll begin to uncover. 4. Sleep with a clear mind. Imagine carrying the day's thoughts, worries, and to-do lists into bed. It's like trying to drift on a calm lake while holding stones. Going to sleep with a cluttered mind blocks the flow into deep, restful sleep, often preventing you from tapping into those vivid dreams you want to remember. Studies on sleep psychology show that a peaceful mind before bed helps you reach REM sleep more effectively, where most dreams emerge. Techniques like meditating, journaling, or even taking a few deep breaths can clear your mental space, opening you up to richer dream experiences and better recall each morning. Think of it this way, when you relax your mind, you create a blank canvas, inviting dreams to paint their stories freely. If lingering thoughts creep in, try a brain dump in a notebook before bed, just jot down whatever is on your mind. This habit can act like an emotional release, letting you offload your concerns and make space for a night of undisturbed sleep. By nurturing this habit, you'll notice your dreams become more accessible, with memories of them lingering longer into the day. Sleeping with a clear mind isn't just about letting go, it's about setting the stage for meaningful encounters with your subconscious. When worries fade, you give yourself permission to explore deeper mental realms without distraction. This mental clarity upon entering sleep can be the key to not just remembering your dreams but understanding their messages. So, each night, let the stresses slip away as you prepare to journey into the mysteries of your inner world. And, as the dreams unfold, what hidden insights might you uncover? 5. Incorporate essential oils. Scent has a mysterious power to shift our minds, sometimes triggering memories or transporting us to distant moments. Essential oils like lavender, sandalwood, and clary sage are believed to work on this same level, calming the mind and paving the way for deeper, more restful sleep. This ancient practice of aromatherapy can help tune your mind into a receptive state, preparing it for vivid dreaming and better dream recall. Studies show that certain scents can even promote relaxation, easing your transition into the dream world and inviting clearer memories upon waking. Imagine adding a few drops of lavender oil to a diffuser or gently massaging sandalwood onto your temples before bed. These small rituals do more than scent the air, they encourage a sense of calm that quiets the mind, making it easier to drift into sleep and access the subconscious. By using these essential oils, you're not just improving sleep, you're priming your mind for rich, memorable dreams. Over time, this simple nightly addition can become a powerful way to boost your dream memory, helping you hold on to more of those nighttime adventures. Incorporating essential oils is like creating a doorway to the world within, with each scent a guide along the way. With practice, you'll notice that certain scents may bring about more vivid dreams or make it easier to recall details in the morning. These oils aren't just for relaxation, they open a pathway to deeper parts of the mind, gently coaxing you toward a clearer, more immersive dream state. And as the nights go on, you may discover how scent can unlock your dreams in ways you never expected. Ready to explore further? 6. Focus on your emotions. Dreams have a way of blending reality and emotion, often leaving us with feelings that linger long after we wake. Rather than trying to remember each visual detail of a dream, focusing on the emotions can be a powerful anchor. Emotions are deeply tied to memory, and by paying attention to how you felt during a dream, you can unlock other details as well. In fact, studies in dream psychology suggest that emotional intensity in dreams makes them easier to recall, almost as if feelings act as a guide back to the experience. So, when you wake up, try asking yourself, how did I feel during the dream? Did you feel joy, curiosity, fear, or perhaps nostalgia? This simple question can stir memories of the dream's events, like peeling back layers to reveal hidden moments. Writing down these emotions in a journal can also make dream recall easier, helping you build a clearer picture over time. This approach is especially effective for those who want to improve dream recall techniques without forcing themselves to remember every minor detail. Focusing on your emotions adds a new dimension to dream retention, making your connection to dreams more meaningful. Emotions have a way of sticking with us, giving weight to what we experience in our dreams. When you wake up with an emotional impression, treat it like a clue, a way to dive deeper into your subconscious. Over time, this method can become a reliable path to bringing more of your dreams into your waking world. And as you deepen this practice, you might just find emotions revealing secrets you didn't know your dreams held. 7. Sleep with crystals under your pillow. Imagine your dreams as a hidden realm, waiting to be uncovered. Sleeping with crystals like labradorite, selenite, or lepidolite under your pillow is believed to help tap into this realm, enhancing dream clarity and recall. Many cultures have used crystals for ages, believing their energies can affect both mind and spirit. Placing a crystal near you as you sleep might sound mystical, but for those who embrace it, this practice is thought to help bridge the waking and dreaming worlds, making it easier to remember details that might otherwise fade by morning. Each crystal brings something unique to the table. Labradorite, for instance, is often called the stone of transformation, encouraging vivid dreams and spiritual insights. Selenite, with its calming properties, is said to create a peaceful dream environment, while lepidolite can bring balance and reduce stress, helping to clear mental clutter before sleep. Simply choosing a crystal that resonates with you and tucking it under your pillow can become a nightly ritual, creating an anchor between your conscious and subconscious mind. Embracing the energy of crystals isn't just a bedtime addition, it's an invitation to explore the depths of your own mind. By introducing crystals into your sleep environment, you create a space that's receptive to dreams and memories. Over time, you may notice stronger connections to your dreams, a richer understanding of their meanings, or even glimpses into your subconscious you hadn't accessed before. What new pathways could open up as you sleep, with a little help from the natural world? 8. Use binaural beats or isochronic tones. Sound can do wonders for the mind, especially when it comes to sleep and dreaming. Binaural beats and isochronic tones, for instance, are like gentle nudges guiding the brain into states ideal for deep sleep and vivid dreaming. These audio frequencies work by creating a rhythm that synchronizes with brainwave patterns associated with relaxation and REM sleep. Studies have shown that listening to specific frequencies before bed can deepen sleep and improve dream recall, helping to unlock that hidden world of nighttime memories. Imagine slipping on a pair of headphones and letting soothing beats lull your mind into a state ready for dreaming. Binaural beats, which require headphones, offer a unique experience by playing two slightly different frequencies in each ear, creating a perception of a single beat that your brain aligns with. Isochronic tones, on the other hand, can be played through speakers, creating rhythmic pulses that invite relaxation and dream-enhancing brainwaves. Both methods are accessible ways to explore dream retention, with many playlists online catering to deep sleep and dream recall. Using these tones doesn't just set the stage for a restful night, it's like tuning an instrument, preparing your mind to resonate with your dreams. You might find that over time, listening to these beats becomes part of your bedtime ritual, creating a mental pathway that leads to vivid dreams and improved memory upon waking. For anyone seeking a more structured approach to dream recall, binaural beats and isochronic tones offer an exciting, and scientifically backed, gateway to the inner world of dreams. Are you ready to discover what sound can awaken? So, now that you're equipped with these techniques, how will you start bringing your dream world to life each morning? Imagine waking up with fragments of distant memories and strange places, each carrying a piece of insight you can carry into your day. By making small changes like setting a regular sleep routine, quieting your mind before bed, or exploring the sense of essential oils, you open yourself up to a deeper understanding of your dreams, and maybe, just maybe, of yourself. What if remembering dreams could change the way you see your waking life? Which techniques resonate with you the most? Try them out, and see which ones reveal the mysteries waiting just below the surface of your sleep. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. Continue expanding your consciousness by watching the recommended video that you see on the screen right now.